The best person to walk us through that journey is going to be our Athletics Kenya president.
Again. And what happened to her over the week?
And then all the way back. So instead of going...
I'm sure we have the Kenyans coming to run, and of course quite a number of other nationalities that will be joining here. We are aiming at the registration this time to, I think somebody has said, the first one was 10,000. The second one last year was 12. This time we are aiming at 15, and that's actually the limit. That will be the limit for this particular marathon here.
We are aware that we are monetizing talent because that is our mandate as a ministry, and that is why we have earmarked over 60 million Kenya shillings from the government to be able to reward those who will win.